Hey, take a bite, Slime. Hey, take a bite, twin.
Take a bite, twin.
Oh, this fool got a haircut.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm about to walk up in that gym like, you using that machine right there? Oh, you're not using that? Okay. Oh shit, my bad.
I think I've seen you around before.
I think I've seen you around. Oh my god, where? In my dreams.
That's all I need. Me and my head turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a ride. I'm in a penny, trying to get out in a crowd. Friends are my friends, and they try to get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God.
Oh, I see it. Fuck. Look at the gym, look at the gym.
Traffic.
I need everybody out.
Too many Venice in America.
If you're not bumping Michael Jackson as a pre-workout,
that guy's vibing though.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
The way she came into the place. Dangerous. The girl is so dangerous.
All right, look, this is how I'm gonna approach my gym girl, right? So it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna.
You gotta take a sip though.
Oh yeah, hold on.
You gotta pre-work
So
it.
I'm gonna walk in there like this.
You gotta pre-game it.
I'm gonna walk in there like this. I'm gonna take a sip. And I'm gonna walk over to her. And I'm gonna be like, how many sets you got left? And then she didn't hear me because she has her headphones in. And I said, all right, cool. And then I'll just go. I'll just go my way. I remember one time, there was a girl in the gym. She actually like went up to me and she was like, well, first of all, she was like this. I was like, what the fuck? I took my headphones off. She was like, are you using this? And I'm like, yeah, I got like 2 sets left. Oh, okay. Bro, she wanted my number.
Bro,
she wanted to kiss me, bro.
It, bro. I was dead.
Like, she wanted to kiss me, bro.
Else.
Like she wanted to kiss me for sure. Like after I could hella tell she was fucking with me, bro. She was heavy fucking with me. Like, how about you? What about your gym stories? You have any gym girlfriends?
All of them.
All of them.
All of them, bro.
What does that mean?
Nah, deadass. Honestly, I don't think I've ever had a girl come up to me yet.
Nah, I actually had a few girls come up to me and say you're handsome.
Nah, not for me. Maybe like an old lady. Asking me, are you using this? Or something. I don't know.
I remember one time I was hitting some. This is when I was like super shredded, like last year on my grind type shit.
Last year. This guy last year was like muscle and skin.
Yeah, I was like dick skin. That's how lean I was. I remember I was hitting curls and you could see like hella veins and shit, like oh, like dick veins.
Although,
and this old lady went up to me and she was like, oh my god, you have a really nice body. You should compete. You should compete. And I was like, oh my god, I'm flattered. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Even Granny wants. I mean, she still got it, right? She can still get it.
I done lost everything. I never lost my self-esteem. Back and forth, up and down the streets, feel like a trampoline. You never supposed to go against me, bitch. We on the same team. European spec, don't got no tints. They gotta see this shit. I know them niggas never would've thought that I could be this rich. Check out with them. We come through on some Jesus creepy shit. You ready to go to war about it? You can keep the bitch. First you push your spec through the hood. I'm pushing leadership. Stand up on their ass, can't fuck around, not even a little bitch. Won't take her down, she run them out, she won't get hit again. Snap a finger, crank up a few houses, get it lit again. You can't sell your shit again. Run it up, get rich again. I told her I'm nothing like these niggas, they don't put me with them. Fully let you distant on. Can't be fucked with pink and blue. One-on-one for real, I put it down, bro, I'm a big influence. Fuck the odds for y'all to shoot. Yeah. Is you stupid or you dumb, boy? Boy, tell me how you wanna come, boy. Boy, Brody got rich out the run, boy. Boy, you ain't shit without that gun, boy. Boy, had to crop a couple people out, they fucking up the photo. I done let her come outside with gang and gave her a few promo. Bitch, she fly, read them like a book. Shout out to the good ones. I be wild and fuck around, get her took. She give me that look. It ain't nothing to turn her life, a bitch can't treat me like I'm average. All she do is treat me, might as well put me as an addict. I take care of all my bitches, so they treat me like I'm daddy. From the street, I got everything. We gon' eat, no understanding. Me and bro been down since we was outside flipping on the mattress. We stay down, got out them packs. Now the plug can't even handle. In the cyber truck, it's red on red and red, look like an apple. Still the one that get it cracked. I go rob them for my cash. They ain't think this shit can get this lit. I knew that they could have it. I buy Louis just to have it. Yeah.
Alright, so we can't really damn.
We can't really damn. We can't really damn.
We cannot pose. It's not that we cannot, like there's a way, but what I would want is a posing room, like the one at that first video. But it's all good, it's alright.
I get to a chicken.
It's all good, it's alright. It's fine. This is that post-workout music right here.
You it's raining and used in my love. Streets are empty, mood is already full up. So why make it worse if you could pull up? I know you like it toxic, you're used to it, love.
Alright, bro. Hey, alright. So what do we say? Alright, peace out, bro.
I already ended the video.
Alright, peace out, bro.